Vechain continues to hold within my key area of support between the 0.02387 and the 0.02207, and at the time of this recording we are also attempting to see a break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart to flip it back into support. And on today's video I will be discussing my breakout target areas, and above all give you the key areas of support that you need to continue holding. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 6th of September. You can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, where we first picked in this 5-wave structure, completing this 1-2 setup over here. And after we finished this 1-2 setup, we continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we first picked in this Elliot wave count 1 in a move that gave us a high above the 0.027. And after we got our high in that Elliot wave count 1, I was expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made in this Elliot wave count 1 to the high above the 0.027, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the 0.02208 and the 0.02387, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And there are very high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see a reaction of this area and start a very impulsive movement to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.03157. Then from that point we can expect a short-term pullback in a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out as long as Vechain continues to hold within this target area. We also need to have in mind that we can also get rejected and maybe also see a sudden pullback from the current prices. And if that is the case, and maybe at some point we break out of this target area to the lower side, I will be watching for support above the 0.02081, and on holding that key area of support there's a chance of a bounce back over here. But on the worst case scenario, in case we lose this key area of support over here, there are very high chances that we are going to continue seeing some bearish days where we can easily get a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September below the 0.01937. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out here on the Vechain chart for the next coming hours and also days. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.